Data of every description will pervade our consciousness. Holograms projected beneath our eyelids. Direct retinal stimulation.
Welcome to the DCC Museum.
Hi and welcome back at the museum. Today we're going to do an unboxing of something really rare, the Panasonic CQ-DC1 car player. It is the rarest DCC car player that you can find. We believe fewer than 500 were made. So if you can get your hands on one, always pull the trigger. But it took us 10 years to find one new in box, and today we're going to share this unboxing with you. We actually found this at a dealer in California who had it on the shelf for 30 years. So he kept it and was able to sell it to us. So on top here is the display holder, which is standard because this is an in-dash unit, so you could remove the display and take the display with you in this carrying case. The only DCC car radio with a remote. All the other ones are made by Philips, and the only remote that the Philips have is wired. Warranty cards and instruction. Connection cables. Battery for the remote. And more insulation materials, including the pin to remove the radio from the dash if needed. Okay. The original instruction manual. We also have a PDF on our website. And there it is. Very unusual design because all the other DCC car radios, like I said, were made by Philips and have an integrated amplifier. This does not have an integrated amplifier. You would always need an external amplifier to power this. So we put it on the bench, attach power to it. This has line input, CD changer input, and then front and back, but those are both line outs. Nice display, like you see, tuner, tape, CD changer and auxiliary. If you press open, you get the motorized tray, sort of nice. Changing with the remote, the program A to B. This is by far the coolest car radio they made for DCC, in my opinion, just because it has the most option. Display is phenomenal. Well, I'm glad it was working out of the box, but these are very service friendly. All they ever need is a belt potentially, and this one didn't even need a belt change to be working right out of the box. So the dream of the museum to have one in box and like here behind me, one on display has come true, and that's perfect. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.